Everyone is asking about data right now, how they can use it, how they can protect it, how they can safeguard it, how they can share it. It's a legal question, but it's also a business question, and to provide the appropriate legal advice, we really try and make sure that we understand the business objectives, because sometimes people are actually asking a different question than what's coming out of their mouth, and it's important for us to understand what it is that they're trying to achieve, and then we're able to counsel them how to achieve those objectives within the parameters of the law. It's great to remember that what we are doing has impact not just for businesses and not just for organizations, but for people and for patients, and the advice that we give to our clients and the way that we help them achieve their strategic objectives ultimately helps them serve their patients better, and it helps them bring health to their communities in a way that's really impactful, and it's really an important part of what we do.